Today on our 2010 Lincoln MKT, we'll be taking a look at the best 3 hitch options available. Up top, we're going to have the Hidden Hitch, part number 87571. Next one down is going to be the Draw-Tite, part number 75679. And finally, down here on the bottom is going to be part number C13110, which is going to be the Curt. All 3 are going to be class 3 hitches with your 2" by 2" receiver tube openings. The most significant difference between all 3 of them, since they are very similar in design, is going to be that 1/2" J-pin stabilization hole in both your Hidden Hitch and in the Draw-Tite. All 3 are going to have a black powder coat finish to prevent any kind of rust and corrosion, as well as be fully welded in construction. On the front of the Draw-Tite and the Hidden Hitch, it's going to have a little bit more rounded of an aesthetic piece welded onto the end of it of your 2" by 2" receiver tube. Whereas the Curt is going to have that more squared off aesthetic piece here on the end. The chain tie downs are going to be very similar as well. These will be a little bit more of a rectangular shape, whereas the Draw-Tite and the Hidden Hitch are going to have more of an oval. Both are going to be significant in size, as you can see there. Now with all 3 of these, it's going to offer a 400-pound tongue weight capacity with or without weight distribution, as well as a 4,000-pound towing weight capacity. Very easy installation. All 3 of our class 3 trailer hitch receivers here are going to mount up using 4 bolts, 2 on either side, replacing your factory hanger hardware. Now let's go ahead and give you a few measurements to help you in selecting from your hitch accessories. Now on the Hidden Hitch and the Draw-Tite, the distance from the pinhole to the outermost part of the bumper is going to be about 6 inches. From the top of the receiver tube to the ground is going to be about 13.5 inches. On the Curt, that distance is going to be about 6 3/4 inches from the center of the pinhole to the outermost part of the bumper. And from the top of the receiver tube to the ground is going to be the same at 13.5 inches. And here's what our Curt's going to look like once it's installed on the back of our Lincoln MKT. You're going to have that nice aesthetic round bar across the back, drop down below the bumper, so your mounting brackets will actually be up on the back side. So the only thing that is going to be visible is going to be this round bar here with the 2 brackets on both sides, as well as your 2" by 2" receiver tube with your chain tie downs. Now with the 2" by 2" receiver tube opening, you're going to have a vast selection of aftermarket accessories that you can place on, whether that be your bike carriers, your cargo carriers, or even your drawbars for your towing capabilities. And that will do it for our review of the best 3 hitch options available for our 2010 Lincoln MKT.